Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn 6th lesson, Think Food Fast. 6th lesson, Think Food Fast. 6th lesson, Think Food Fast. Think food fast. What do we need when we feel hungry, children? What do we need when we feel hungry? We need food. Yes, we need food. What do we need when we feel hungry? We need food. We need food. Yes, food makes our body grow. Food makes our body grow. It makes our body grow. It keeps us healthy. It keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Why do we need food, children? We need food. Food makes our body grow. It keeps us healthy. It gives us energy. It gives us energy. It gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. Have you understand, children? First, why we need food? We need food. Food makes our body grow. It keeps us healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. Okay, most of our food comes from plants and animals. Yes, most of our food comes from plants and animals. Yes? Most of our food comes from plants and animals. Once again, repeat, you children, think food first. And what do we need when we feel hungry? We need food. Yes. What do we need when you feel hungry? We need food. Okay. Food makes our body grow and it keeps us healthy and it gives us energy to work and play. And most of our food comes from plants and animals. Okay, different kinds of food gives different ways. Okay, the different kinds of food helps us different ways. Here see. Some food helps us to grow. Some food gives us energy. Some food keeps us healthy. Now see here. Different types of food help us different ways. Some food helps us to grow. Some food helps us to grow. Some food gives energy. Some food gives us energy. Some food keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Here see, children, which food helps us to grow, which food gives us energy, which food keeps us healthy. Now see. First one, food helps us to grow. Which food helps us to grow? See. Okay, and food like milk, eggs, dal. Food like milk, eggs and dal help our body to grow. Help our body to grow. Which food helps us to grow? Foods like milk, eggs and dal help our body to grow and they make our bones and muscles strong. They make our body, our bones and muscles strong. Have you understand, children? Which food helps us to grow? Foods like milk, eggs and dal help our body to grow. In this food makes our bones and muscles strong. Once again repeat you. And different kinds of food helps us different ways. Some food helps us grow. Some food helps us to grow. And some food means foods like milk, eggs and dal help our body to grow. And these food they make our bones and muscles strong. Okay, milk, eggs, dal, this type of food make our bones and muscles strong. Bones and muscles strong. Next, some food gives us energy. Some food gives us energy. Some food gives us energy. Which type of food gives us energy, children? Say yes. Foods like sugar, butter, rice and jaggery gives us energy. Yes. We use this energy to working and playing. Which food gives us energy, children? Yeah, sugar, butter, rice, sugar, butter, rice and jaggery. This food gives us energy. Okay, sugar, butter, rice, jaggery and gives us energy, and we use this energy working and playing. Working and playing. Have you understand, children? Some food helps us to grow. Some food helps us grow. Food like milk, eggs, dals, these are the helps us to grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. And some food gives us energy. Which food gives us energy? Here, sugar, butter, rice, jaggery. These the food gives us energy. And this energy, we use this energy to working and playing. We use this energy to working and playing. Next, some food keeps us healthy. Which food keeps us healthy? See. Some food keeps us healthy. Which food keeps us healthy, children? You know. Which food keeps us healthy? Yes, food like fruits and vegetables. Foods like fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Yes, some food keeps us healthy. Foods like vegetables and fruits keeps us healthy and prevent us from the falling sick. Okay, now prevent us falling sick. And we need to eat some of these foods every day. We can eat these foods. Means milk, eggs, dal and sugar, butter, rice, jaggery and fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. We need to eat daily these food. Okay, now have you understand? We need every day these food. And exercise and jogging. Your exercise means jogging, running. These are also very important to our body. And exercise and yoga also helps us to stay fit and healthy. Food to partner, exercise and yoga also keep fit and healthy. Keep fit and healthy. Have you understand, children? Some food keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keeps prevent when we fall sick, and fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy, and exercise and yoga also keep fit and healthy. Once again I repeat you children, think food first, and we need food. Food makes our body grow, and it helps us to healthy, and it gives us energy to work and play and make. Most of our food comes from plants and animals, and different kinds of food helps us to different ways, and some food helps us to grow. Which type of food helps us to grow? Yes, milk, dal and eggs helps us to grow, and they make our bones and muscles strong. This type of food makes our bones and muscles strong. Next, some food gives us energy, and foods like sugar, butter, rice, jaggery, these food gives us energy. In this energy we use to working and play. And next, some food helps us healthy, keeps us healthy, and foods like fruits and vegetables prevent us from falling sick, and we need to eat some of these food every day, and exercise and yoga and also helps us fit and healthy. Have you understand children? This is the thing food first. Have you understand children? Thank you.